In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Grammarly settings quickly and easily in your browser. Whether you want to update your account details, adjust your writing preferences, or switch your English dialect, this guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can customize Grammarly the way you want it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and make sure the Grammarly extension is already installed and active. You'll usually see the Grammarly icon in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. Go ahead and click that Grammarly extension icon to open the menu. This is the fastest way to access your Grammarly controls without having to search through extra pages or settings. Once the Grammarly panel opens, look for the option that says All Settings. Click All Settings to open the full settings homepage in your browser. This is where Grammarly keeps the main configuration options for your account and writing preferences, so this is the section you'll want to use whenever you need to make changes. Now that you're on the settings page, look at the left side menu. Grammarly organizes its settings into different tabs, and the two main ones you'll usually use are Account and Writing. If you want to update your personal information, click the Account tab. From there, you can change details like your name, email address, password, and security preferences. This is the section to use if you've changed your email or want to review how your account is secured. If your goal is to adjust how Grammarly helps you write, click the Writing tab in the left menu. This is where you can set your primary language dialect, such as American English or British English. Choosing the correct dialect helps Grammarly make better spelling and grammar suggestions based on the style of English you use most often. So if you write for a specific region or audience, this is definitely one of the first settings you should check. In the writing settings, you can also manage your custom personal dictionary. This is really useful if you frequently use names, brand terms, industry words, or other words that Grammarly might not recognize right away. Adding those words to your personal dictionary helps prevent Grammarly from marking them as errors in the future, which can save you time and reduce distractions while writing. Take a moment to review the settings you want to change and make sure everything looks correct before you leave the page. Once you've updated your account details or writing preferences, your changes should be saved automatically or with a simple confirmation depending on the setting. After that, you can close the settings page and continue writing with Grammarly configured the way you prefer. And that's how to change Grammarly settings in just a few simple steps. You now know how to open the extension, access all settings, and use the left menu to update both account and writing preferences. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want help with next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.